Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. I hope you're having a great day so far and you're ready to do some math for your e-learning today. We're going to be working on page 47 in your math workbook. I have it up on the screen, so if you wanted to match mine, that would be perfect. We're just going to go over a little video. I hope things are going okay. This is a hard lesson this week, but also super important. So please make sure you're asking one of us if you have any questions on how this should be working. We will make all the way up to 10. Obviously, we're just right now in 6 and 7. We have a lesson of 8 and 9 later this year. And then our last lesson will be to make 10, which all of them are just as important. So please, if you have any questions, let us know. So on page 47, we're going to be counting and writing the number of blue counters and the yellow counters they use to make the total. So they have given us the blue counters and we have to make yellow counters to make the number that they're asking us. So we have our first problem right here is we're going to be making the number 6. They have given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue counters. So with a pencil, you're going to write your best number 5 because they have given you 5 counters. Now, really, we should know that since this is a 10 frame, our 5 top line is filled in completely, so we really shouldn't even have to count those. I should just be able to look at that and know that there are 5 blue counters there because it is a 10 frame and the first row is completely filled. So I have 5 so far, but they're asking us to make 6. So I have 1 more I need to add because 5 and 1 makes 6. So I am just going to take my yellow crayon and color in 1 yellow counter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm saying that 5 blues plus 1 yellow equals 6. So what I would do then is write my number 1 on the line. All right, nice job. My next one, how many blue counters did they give me? We should be able to count these on our own. 1, 2. I write a number 2 over here. Now it is my job to fill in how many yellow counters I am going to do to make 6. Now I know everyone does things a little bit differently. I am going to start here and fill my counters in that way. So I am going to do 1, 2 blues, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 2 blues, and then I did 1, 2, 3, 4 yellows. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. And if you wanted to take this step, this math and a step farther, you, with your adult or on your own, probably should be able to start writing these addition problems in. I know we do this in my room, and I'm sure the other teachers do as well, but you should be able to start writing these in thinking that you have 5 blues plus 1 yellow and you have your total of 6. I'm not sure. We have talked about the plus sign and the equal sign, so please make sure that you are explaining this with your e-learner. They're definitely very important, and we need to know what those signs are. And this is basically a differentiated step to take this math lesson to the next level. So please do not hesitate to do that with your e-learner. My last problem, we are now making 7. You are also supposed to trace these. But hopefully by now we are getting pretty good at writing our numbers. So they gave you 1, 2, 3, 4 blues. So I would write in my 4. And now it is my job, my responsibility to fill it in to make the number 7. So I'm not making 6 this time. Please don't get confused. You're making 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so how many yellows did I use then? 1, 2, 3. I used 3 yellows. And if I wanted to extend this to the next level, I would do 4 blues. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4 blues. And then I did 3 yellows plus 3 yellows equals 7. Talking about the plus sign and the equal sign. All right. That is all for this page. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you need to go back and complete this on your own, that is fine. I just want to get the videos done so then you have some time to work. But please do not feel like you have to complete this as I am doing it. You can even watch the video and then complete it, whatever you feel comfortable with. So also, or if you want to try one, do one with me and then do the rest on your own, that's fine as well. Just as long as we're understanding how we're making 6 and 7 the week, that's our goal. All right, I'm going to turn the page. You have, the most challenging page left. It is page 48. Now this one, I am going to do 2 for you, and then I would really like you to do 2 on your own. This goes along with the homework and just something we should be able to be doing right now. I have lost my pen. Oh, there it is. So please, I will do 2 with you. I will make 6 with you one way and 7 with you one way, and then I'm going to have you do the bottom 2 on your own with your adult. And then remember, you have your homework after this out of your gray and purple book, and the goal is for you to be able to do those pages on your own as well, with an adult checking it or sitting next to you in some way, okay? All right, so 6, my first one, it is up to you. You get to decide how you want to make 6 and 7. That's why I'm just going to do this one with you and then this one, and then I want you to try it on your own. So one of my favorite ways to make 6 is that doubles. So I'm going to start with my blue because it's telling me that my blue crayon needs to go first. And in my class, I'm a stickler. I like to make sure that my blues are always first, or not necessarily my blues, but the color that they're asking goes first for the whole entire page. Or I will pick a color, I will assign a color, and that color needs to go first for the whole entire page. I just think it makes it so much easier for everyone to understand. So I'm going to start with my blue crayon for sure, because that is what they said, and I'm going to create making 6 however I would like, and I'm going to do that by coloring in 1, 2, 3 spaces with my blue crayon. And I don't want to wait. I'm just going to do it now. So I have 1, 2, 3 blues, just like that, okay? And now with my red crayon, I'm going to do 1, I'm making 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And I did 1, 2, 3 reds as well. And my problem, once again, you can do this, extend it, 3 plus 3 equals 6. That's the doubles. It's one of my favorite ways to make 6. An easy way to start. So down here, you have 1 more space. You're going to be making 6 again if you need to remember that. That's what you'll be doing down here. So 6, we made 6. Now you get to create another way or come up with another way to make 6. But first, before you do that, I'm going to do 7 right here and right here. All right. So I'm going to start with my blue crayon again, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to do 4. And right away, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and write 4 on my line so I know that I have 4 blues. And now I'm going to take my red crayon and fill it in 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had 1, 2, 3 blues. Double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should then have 4 blues, 3 reds. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then down here on your own, you'll be making another way to make 7. It's hard, I know, but keep up the good work. And like I said, if you have any questions, please make sure you reach out on either page. These are definitely probably the most challenging pages that you have done. Making 6 and 7 is the highest numbers we have made, so it's okay if it's a little bit tricky right now. But please just make sure you're asking for help. If you have any questions, reach out and I will be around. Thanks so much.